Hello friends, myself Dr. Shukla, a biology teacher. I welcome you all in one of the most novel, newly launched, most advanced platform called Charvik Academia, where we are fusing a traditional education with the digital education system. Today students, we gonna learn very key and important topics which are given in NCERT. Right now, what happened with this topic is that many students, they just memorize this topic and they just know about the examples given in NCERT, but they don't conceptualize the entire thing, right? The topic I am talking about is a feedback mechanism. Now student, this word feedback mechanism is given in multiple chapters in your NCERT, right? But they haven't cited a single example under this heading in either of the NCERT, whether it's 11th NCERT or 12th NCERT. So, to solve the questions where is going to be feedback mechanism, you must understand the exact concept, right? So now, let's talk about feedback mechanism. See, when we say feedback, it automatically means we are talking about two reactions which are acting on each other. That's why only we can call it as a feedback mechanism. When there is a feedback, it means there must be an involvement of two reactions, right? Now, feedback mechanism is of two types. One is positive feedback mechanism, and another is negative feedback mechanism. Now, in very simple terms, what is positive feedback mechanism? Let's say here there is one reaction called A, or one process, or one factor, right? We can say anything. Let's say there is one reaction called A. The reaction A is stimulating the reaction B, and in return, reaction B is also stimulating the reaction A. So as you can see, here both reactions which are involved in the process, they are stimulating each other. A is stimulating B, in return B is stimulating A. Now when we say a negative feedback mechanism, it means one reaction activates another. One reaction activates another. Let's say reaction A is stimulating reaction B, but in reverse, reaction B will inhibit or will stop the reaction A. So this feedback is what? This feedback is a negative feedback mechanism. So in simple terms, what you need to remember is what? When both reactions stimulate each other, it is positive feedback. When reaction A stimulates B, but in return, reaction B inhibits reaction A, that is a negative feedback mechanism. Now, let's discuss very interesting example. Now understand again, these examples are given in NCERT, right? But they have not clarified that these are examples of a feedback mechanism. Let's take an example of positive feedback mechanism. Let's say here is the hormone oxytocin. Now you must be very well aware about this hormone, right? It was there in the previous grade as well, standard 10th as well. This hormone oxytocin is being secreted by posterior pituitary gland. Now what it does? What is the significance of oxytocin? Oxytocin, it promotes contraction of uterus during parturition. It promotes what? Contraction of uterus during parturition, means during delivery of baby. Now understand, oxytocin is stimulating the contraction of uterus. In return, as contraction of uterus increase, it further stimulates the secretion of oxytocin. So as you can see here, both oxytocin and contraction of uterus, they are enhancing each other effect. Again I am repeating, oxytocin is stimulating or enhancing the activity of uterus. In return, those contractions only, they further stimulate the secretion of oxytocin. So it's an example of positive feedback. Now let's take an example of negative feedback. Let's say here is another hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, which is being secreted by anterior pituitary gland. Now this follicle stimulating hormone, it promotes synthesis of sperm. Now synthesis of sperm is termed as what? Spermatogenesis. So FSH is promoting the synthesis of sperm, means promoting spermatogenesis. In return, as number of sperm increase, those sperms only stop the secretion of FSH, right? So in here FSH is stimulating formation of sperms, and those sperms only in return of what? FSH. So this is an example of which feedback? It's an example of negative feedback. Now, in previous years of competitive exams, multiple questions have been asked from this topic, and for many students, right, what they think these questions are outside of NCERT. Now understand, these questions are not outside of NCERT, right? These examples which we have discussed, they have been given in different chapters, and these names of positive feedback and negative feedback are also being given in different chapters. So those students who cannot connect the concept of different chapters, for those students the questions become outside of NCERT, but actually these questions they are from NCERT only. Now what kind of questions have been asked in previous year exams, right, that we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you, students.
Dear students, hope you all like the demo lecture on one of the most important concepts of this subject. But don't be sad, this is not where we have finished. This was just a drop from the ocean of Charvik Academia. Explore this ocean with our team of experts and be the master of your subjects, right students? Let's have an insight into what Charvik Academia has to offer. Number one, quality education. Whether it's traditional or digital, by our highly experienced faculties is delivered very well. Number two, exclusive live doubt solving sessions is there also. Periodic test series for strong concept foundation. From 6 to 10th, we have also a foundation batch where you build up your strong foundation for 11 and 12, right? You might ask, what is the new offering from your side, right? So here is where our uniqueness comes into play. You will get the HD video recording of all the lectures, doubt solving session, whether it's conducted online or offline during your academic year. Listen student carefully, whether it's conducted online or offline during your academic year. Throughout your academic year, all the lectures, video recorded lectures available in your account on our sites, right? And second most important point is, I explain you. Student, as you know, the assessment is most important in education, for which we have an exclusive test conducting system with in-depth analysis. Whether your exam is online or pen paper based, check my words, whether your exam is online or a pen paper based, we have unique in-depth analysis system for both this exam system. With this, students, we are offering free 7 days demo lecture whether you join us online or offline. So hurry up, limited batches are available. The early birds gets the worm, right student? So please join Charvik Academia as soon as possible for your better future and better education. Thank you.